trying the brand new ghd Chronos Max. Let's get into it. Hi and welcome back to my channel, or hello and welcome if you are brand new here. My name is Chloe Swift. I'm a professional hairstylist and a hair care expert. You're probably thinking, why on earth is your hair completely different on two different sides? This is my natural hair. My hair is naturally wavy. I have put products in and diffuse styled this, so it's all fully dry now, but I really wanted to test how straight the Chronos Max takes my natural waves, and then this side has been blow dried smooth because I really want to test the curls with the Chronos Max. For those of you who don't know, but I'm sure you do if you watch my videos already, the ghd Chronos is my favorite all-time hairstyler flat iron. Like, it is so good at smoothing, straightening the hair. It's so shiny, the curls are so defined, and I recommend it to so many different people. It is GHD's most premium flat iron styler. Literally just the other day, the Chronos Max came out, and then this got delivered through my door. So GHD Hair Pro kindly gifted me the styler. So yeah, I definitely thought we are going to do a YouTube video on this. So let's unbox it and see what it's like. So first up, you can see that it's black, which is really cool because as you can see, my original Chronos is white. I'm assuming this also would come in black and white, just like the kind of the standard Chronos. Very, very similar to, I guess, the current Max. So GHD's current Max, which is their wide plate styler, is almost like the big sister, I like to call it, compared to the gold. They look literally the exact same, apart from it's bigger. And that's the exact same thing you're going to find with this Chronos Max compared to the usual Chronos. So you've got the same hinge. It's that wishbone hinge design, which means that the plates move together simultaneously through that hinge rather than one plate like touching and meeting the other, if that makes sense. You've got this rubber guard. You get the rubber guard with the original Chronos, obviously just a smaller version. So I love that, just to keep the plates neat and tidy and to keep it kind of closed and holding together when it's not in use, when you've put it away in your drawer. Plates are just really nice and shiny and shimmery. They are ultra gloss ceramic coated plates, the exact same as the Chronos, just basically a lot bigger. Here is the difference with your standard Chronos and then the new Chronos Max. The Chronos Max is now 70% wider and larger, so it's going to be great for those of you with really long hair, those of you with thick hair. You'll just be able to get through your hair so much more quickly and more effectively. So yeah, I'm super excited, and that's why I did want to leave this side of my hair, I guess, the most challenging it could ever be before I go in and straighten. We're going to straighten this side, we're going to curl this side. Let me plug it in and let's go. Yeah, same sound. It's probably just going to take a little bit longer to heat up, I imagine, because they are bigger plates. So I'm probably going to guess like 30 seconds. And it has still got the 10-minute safety feature. There we go, they're all heated up. Still got the 10-minute safety feature. If you've left them on the side, they can actually tell that they're not in use, and they will automatically switch off after only 10 minutes, which I think is great. Okay, so I'm going to section my hair. I'm going to take my first section like level with the top of the ear, my usual kind of section size. And my hair does already have a fair amount of product in that I've blow dried in, but I definitely think it would be rude not to apply the GHD Bodyguard heat protection spray, which I've also been sent. This one is especially for fine hair types. So yeah, if you have ever tried the classic GHD Bodyguard and maybe you feel like it's too heavy for your hair, then this would be perfect. I'm going to mist that onto the hair, and then what I definitely need to do, because this is naturally wavy, and I'd say the same if you have natural waves or natural curls, you need to brush that hair through first of all. You just want to make sure it's completely tangle free before you go in and straighten your hair. And honestly, this feels so alien to me, can I just point out, by the way, guys, because if I am going to be straightening my hair, the one thing I always do first is just always do a smooth blow dry first of all, and I recommend that to everyone because it just makes your life so much easier. The result is going to be the best it can. But I completely understand when then you guys watch these videos and you want to see how well a straightener performs. So yeah, I really just want to show you what it's like straightening hair that hasn't already been smoothed out and hair that is, yeah, wavy. And now because I've brushed it out, it's super frizzy and fluffy. All brushed out, it's protected from heat. I'm going to go in with a comb, lead with a comb first of all. I love this comb so much, probably a lot of you don't know, but my boyfriend is a barber and I bought him this comb. He actually never uses it. It's a YS Park comb. I think it's like the perfect level of width, so it's not like super fine, but it isn't a wide tooth comb either. I really like it, but he doesn't use it that much, and it was just lying around the house, so I've decided I'm going to take it, claim it back, and I'm going to use it. So what I love to do to create the perfect smooth straight result and section, you want to go in with a comb first of all, and we call this leading with the comb, or some people will call it when you're chasing the straightener, the flat iron, you're chasing the comb because you're following it, just really smoothing that hair out, so then this styler, the straightener, can just glide through with ease. Okay, are we ready? So holding right in at the root, I'm going in, applying kind of the same pressure that I would normally do and the same speed. I mean, yeah, it's a lovely shine. I definitely would need to go over it a bit more. Maybe that was too big a section because it is definitely still a little bit kinky there. Let me just go in again. So really smoothing down that root. Gliding off the end there. It is a lovely shine. I just think because I prepped, because this is the thing, because I didn't blow dry my hair smooth first of all, I'm not used to it feeling like that. Like I can still feel like the cuticle, which is the outer layer of your hair, it isn't fully aligned. So definitely I do prefer to keep it fully. I tell you what, let me do that side next to give you a different result and show you, because this side I have smooth blow dried out first of all. Let me show you, this will give you an even better result than that side, and hopefully this should do this in one. So gliding down nice and slow with a consistent pace. And yeah, even just the feeling of that gliding through the hair. Look at that. Look at that shine. Okay, that is the result I was after. That really is the result I was hoping for. But actually, do you know what? I'm really pleased I've done that side by side so you guys can really see the difference, because I feel like sometimes actually I get those comments on my videos like, why is my hair not maybe as smooth as yours, or mine still looks frizzy, you feel like you need to go over it multiple times. I feel like that really just highlights the difference between letting your hair air dry or diffuse dry and then actually giving it that smooth blow dry first of all. So with the smooth blow dry, you're just aligning that cuticle, you've got all those lovely products that you're really blow drying into the hair and blow drying smooth, and yeah, you're just letting the hair dryer do a lot of pre-work before you go in with your flat iron, which is then going to give you just the best result possible. Okay, so taking my next section, I'm now round about like recession point, and I will definitely split that into two. I think I was taking the sections too wide there. Brush your hair out first. Go in with your comb first of all, and really slow, even pace down the hair. Okay, that definitely worked better, I think. The fact I didn't take as big a section there. So yeah, I definitely don't think we can use that as best example and best practice of what the tool looks like. Let's definitely look at this side for that. But as I say, I'm so glad I've done it, because some of you do want to go in on natural curls, natural waves. You want these results, but on natural curls, waves. So ideally, you do need to just dry the hair and do a bit of prep work first for best results. I'm saying that's all I'm saying, for best results. Do you see how much easier that was? Glides through. Now, what I did really want to show you, well, not just show you, I want to see for myself. This is completely my first time using this tool, but I wanted to do some curls on this side, and then that's why I blow dried this side smooth. So let's go in and do some curls. Flat iron is going in. I'm going to make sure the logo is pointing towards my mirror. Close the plates. We want one full turn. That's a half turn. So I'm going to keep going till the logo is facing the mirror again. And then I'm going to glide down and out on like a 45-degree diagonal angle. Look at that! It's like a perfect loose little sausage. Let me just do the same on this curl. So flat iron in, one full turn, glide down and out. So good. Just look how defined those curls are. And that's what I love with the Standard Chronos. Let me actually compare and show you current Chronos, what the curls would look like. Curls are really nice and defined with existing Chronos, and I feel like there's not much difference in it, to be honest, but definitely I feel like these two with Chronos Max are just a little bit looser. So you see how that one bounces up? That's like super bouncy. It's a bit more of a tighter sausage curl. These are looser. I think you can definitely tell on the ends. These have that kind of straighter end. Standard Chronos has got more of that ringlety end. Okay, I'm gonna finish straightening this side. Okay, conclusion. First of all, sorry guys, this video actually didn't end up going at all how I thought it would go. I really wanted to show you like this dramatic before and after on this side, but just unfortunately we haven't got that. I think it's completely on me. I diffuse dried the hair and put products in that obviously just aren't compatible if you're then going to go and straighten your hair. As you can see, like my hair is definitely not looking the best it's ever looked. It looks a bit dry. It feels really dry, to be honest with you. It was just not ideal conditions to then be going on top of and straightening, so I am sorry this really isn't the best example. Please just ignore this side for now, but I guess the one takeaway, please do some kind of pre-prep work if your hair is more challenging, especially if it is more curly and really frizz prone and thick. Don't expect that the Chronos Max is going to go in and do absolutely everything. Yeah, you still need to put a little bit of work into it prior, and as a professional, like we would always do that, always kind of blow dry the hair to the best that it can be before you go in and straighten. So yeah, I am disappointed in myself. I've done that, but I just really I thought we'd get this magical, like it would just glide through effortlessly. I think it's just the products I put in beforehand. But then again, on the other side, if we look at this side, you can honestly see and almost feel how soft the hair is through the camera here, and the ends just feel completely different. Like my hair feels healthy, silky to touch. The cuticle is so aligned. I think best straight my hair has ever straightened. It looks amazing, and I think it's going to last for like 2-3 days. These curls, these were the ones done with Chronos Max. They are definitely my kind of curls, so I would love to. I'm gonna definitely come back. I'll make sure it's my next video that I record. I'm gonna do a full head of these curls with Chronos Max because I think so many of you are gonna love that style. I'm gonna love it. You can see the difference now between Standard Chronos. That is definitely a lot more tighter and more defined, but here you've got these lovely loose, they're more like loose waves. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Were you expecting better results on kind of the natural waves? Are you still super impressed with how straight this side has gone, the side that I pre-blow dried? And what do you think to the curls? Please let me know. And again, I apologize for this video. I definitely feel like it hasn't been my best one, but I guess, hey, that's what these videos are all about. I guess this was genuinely my first time using this product, using it on my own hair. So I am glad that I got to do that on camera and basically do it with you guys, and you heard my honest thoughts as we went along. As usual, if you liked this video or learned anything new, I'd love it if you could give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe because I post hair videos, hair tutorials, hair reviews every single week. And if you do, I'll be seeing you next week for another one of my videos. Bye guys.